We're filming a project. Ask her. Ask her.
No.
Come on.
What is a cell membrane mainly composed of?
You answer the question. You're smarter than I am.
What is the what?
Something to do with phospholipids. That rings any bells? No. It's
That's a German word?
no, it's a science word, yeah.
Just walk fast. Just walk fast.
So where does the cell store DNA?
I don't know if I can answer anything.
Yeah, they're pretty hard.
Cells store DNA?
Yeah.
Kind of close, actually, in the nucleus, which is
Nucleus.
Yeah. Fusion, a form of passive transport.
No.
Yes.
It is, yeah.
No,
I know that one.
No,
It's
you know that one,
passive,
yeah.
because active means that it has to use its own energy to move around. Passive, diffusion, is just, it's natural because they're going from high density to low density.
Yeah.
Passive.
Does a plant cell have a cell wall?
I'm gonna guess no on that.
Yes.
Does it have a wall?
Yeah, it has a wall. Where does the cell store DNA? All living things are made of cells.
Carbon.
And cells.
And
cells. Okay, take your time.
I'm getting the shot.
I'm getting the shot. Get the shot. Where does the cell store DNA? It's pretty hard to know.
Where does the cell store DNA? In the nucleus?
That's right, nice job.
I'm sorry, I don't know. I don't really know anything about it.
What is a cell membrane mainly composed of?
Protein.
Kind of. What is a cell membrane mainly composed of?
Is it with a keel?
Sure. Yeah. It's a phospholipid bilayer.
Oh, okay.
So, is the head of a phospholipid hydrophobic or hydrophilic?
The head of a what?
Phospholipid. The things that make up the cell membrane.
Well, I can tell you that hydrophobic and hydrophilic are whether it likes,
Yeah, or
whether it's, I know what it means, but I don't know.
Yeah, it's hydrophilic. Then all living things are made of
Cells?
Yeah. Where does the cell store DNA?
In blood.
No,
In the butt.
In the nucleus.
Oh, in the nucleus,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Well, you know that, I don't.
So, what are two forms of passive transport?
Two forms of passive transport?
Yep.
What do you mean by that?
I have some questions about cells.
Cells.
No pictures.
Hey, don't take a picture
Oh,
of
okay.
Okay, bring it. Okay, next.
Okay, hardest one. What are two forms of passive transport?
Sitting in the back of a limousine.
Designated
Finding a good designated driver.
So are you asking if I would know?
Yeah.
Because honestly, I'm not a medical doctor. I don't know.
Don't know.
There's 4 in total.
I would need the vocabulary list to pick up.
No, I wouldn't know.
One is osmosis, and then there's also facilitated fusion and ion.
Osmosis.
Does an animal cell have a cell membrane or a cell wall?
Animal cells have a cell membrane. Plant cells have both.
Yeah. Diffusion a form of passive transport?
Fusion is a form of passive transport? Yes.
That's correct. Nice.
I wouldn't know either. You'd have to have a degree in biology or science. I have a degree in early childhood studies.
What do vacuoles do?
What do what?
Vacuoles.
I have no idea.
They store and expel waste from the cell. Hydrophobic or hydrophilic?
A phospholipid?
A phospholipid.
A phospholipid. If it's a lipid, that means it's a fat, so it's hydrophobic.
Well, the head is hydrophilic.
Ah.
When they make a cell membrane, they put like the heads on the outside and the tails on the inside, so the tails don't have to touch water.
Ah! Shit, I got it wrong. Oh, nerd.
You guys very much.
No problem.
High five.
Where is this for?
The head of a phospholipid, hydrophobic or hydrophilic? And so, take a guess. What's your name? Is the head of a phospholipid hydrophobic or hydrophobic? That's correct. Nice job. Okay. What are the things inside of cells called?
Inside of cells?
Inside of cells.
Well, it depends.
Like generally.
Generally? All kinds of stuff. I mean,
Generally.
The one that's coming to mind, like mitochondria.
Yeah,
and
stuff like that. Yeah.
There you
go. The general name is organelles.
Organelles. Yeah. There you go.
Yes. You guys are smarter than most of the people on the street. What do vacuoles do?
I have no idea.
What are the things inside of cells called?
I don't know.
I don't see anyone chiming in here to help. What are two forms of passive transport?
You don't know. I don't know. I'm terrible at science.
Does a plant cell have a cell wall?
Yes.
Yes. Does a plant cell have a cell wall? Yes. Yes. Does an animal cell have a cell membrane or a cell wall?
is this?
Membrane.
There you go. And then what are the things inside of cells? It's kind of like organs. They're called organelles. What do vacuoles do?
I wouldn't know either.
They store and expel waste for the cell. It's kind of like vacuum, I guess.
Yeah, no, you have to have a degree in everything about it.
Yeah.
I have a degree in early childhood studies.